Hi guys, so on today's episode we'll be making hard-boiled eggs together with you. So this is what you're going to be needing, and it's a very healthy recipe, mind you, and it requires very simple ingredients. So our main ingredient is egg, because remember we're making hard-boiled eggs. If you have any underlying condition or if you want to lose weight, and if you've never ever tasted like hard-boiled eggs, kindly try this recipe out. As a person who doesn't love eggs, I can tell you for a fact that this is my favorite type of egg. So you can try out and kindly tell me on the comment section below how you loved your boiled eggs after following this recipe. So today we are going to be boiling 9 eggs. After that, you add in your water and ensure that the eggs are submerged in the water, and then you place them in your sauce of heat so that you can boil up your eggs for 15 minutes. And guys, please, if you want your eggs to be hard boiled, always remember that you want your eggs to be boiled for 15 minutes and nothing less than that. After that, you've seen that also our water was boiling. You take room temperature water. It's not a must you add in like ice water. Room temperature water is okay. And then after that, you're going to start placing in our eggs one by one into the water. So the importance of doing this is that it's going to help the shells to come out of the egg seamlessly. So, and always ensure that you either use a tongue or a spoon to do this, because you can really get burnt. So we are going to place these eggs in cold water for about 3 minutes, because if you let your eggs stay for long, they're definitely going to get cold, and cold boiled eggs are not, they do not taste the same as you eat them while hot. So as you can see, they are really peeling out so well. It's a very easy process, and also a plus is that the shells are not going to be hot, but the insides, like the egg part, is going to be hot. So look at that, I was just trying to show you. And also we can also try and also break another one. So you just break the shell easily, and then you place in your spoon so seamlessly, so that you can be able to remove the shells. And also guys, these shells are always good while cleaning your aluminum pots, or also if you're farming, you can also use the shells as a fertilizer. And by the way, a quick good fact is that if you have chicken and they have low calcium, you can always ensure that you grind your shells and give them to your chickens. They are really a good source of calcium, and also children who have calcium issues, you can also give them grinded eggshells after you've cleaned them. So this is how our eggs turned out to be.